Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete or uninstall secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and now you want to remove or delete secure folder, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on security and privacy. Under security and privacy, scroll down, locate more security settings and click on it. Then you should see secure folder. Go ahead and click on secure folder. Now you'll be prompted to type in your secure folder password. So softly type in the secure folder password and click on done. Now this is going to open the secure folder settings. On the secure folder settings, scroll down, locate and click on more settings. Now go ahead and tap on install. The install folder says uninstall secure folder. Go ahead and click on the install button and then hang on. Then once the settings page closes and the home page refresh, then you should see your secure folder uninstalled. So that's exactly how to remove or delete secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.